Congratulations to everyone here at Normanton Park. Okay, all the homeowners that have just gotten to your keys. Okay, congrats to all of you. This is a very beautiful place. So I'm Benjamin from Happie, and today I'm actually here for our very first installation, our Happie's Joy water purifier for the owner who have just completed their renovation. Come, let's go. Hello. Hello, good morning, Auntie. Yeah, we are here to install Joy for your family. Yeah, hello. Thank you. Okay, so for those of you whose kitchen layout is the same as this one over here, okay, there are actually a few locations where you can put the dispenser. Okay, the first one will be beside the basin. Second one will be in the middle of the basin and the hook, and the last one will be at the corner over here. In fact, there's actually also a small space at the corner, so if you would like to buy a separate table to put the dispenser on top of it, also no problem. Okay, but just make sure one thing, to make sure that there's an electrical point in any of the area that you wish to put your dispenser. It doesn't matter whether it's on top or below, it doesn't matter. Okay? In fact, one thing that I realized about this particular condo development for Normanton is that, come, follow me. Okay, one thing that I realized that is very special, all of the units over here, they actually have a water point inlet and outlet at the balcony as well. Okay, so for those of you who prefer to have your water dispensers in the balcony where you are after eating your dinner or lunch, okay, you can actually buy a small table. Okay, you can put the dispenser on top. Or you can also even consider our standing dispenser over here as well. Okay, so we have just completed our installation, and how did we manage to do it? It is very simple. What we did was just to connect a T-joint at the water point over the basin at the bottom. Okay, then we will actually drill a small little hole through the cabinet, which all will be neatly hidden at the back of the cabinet, and we will just come out from the countertop with a very small hole of about 12 cm only. So actually everything will be actually neat and concealed. Okay, so you will not be able to see any wirings or any tubing on the surface of the countertop. So in just 20 minutes time, we managed to get the installation done. Okay, everything ready and set up, all within just 20 minutes. Okay, so from now onwards, homeowners will not need to ever boil water before drinking ever again. So thank you again once again to all Normanton owners, okay, for giving us your trust. Okay, I'm very confident, okay, that our Joy water purifier will bring a lot of convenience to your family. So thank you so much for watching. Okay, I hope all of you refer more neighbors to get this good quality product and good deal from us. Bye!